In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team in Asana, a platform designed to streamline your workflow and enhance team collaboration. Asana can be an incredible tool for managing your team's projects and tasks, so let's get started on setting up your team within this versatile platform. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Asana account. Once you're in, you're ready to start creating your team. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with Asana's dashboard. This is your hub for organizing projects and tasks. Look for the Create feature, which is usually displayed clearly on your dashboard. When you click on Create, you're opening a portal to new possibilities, including the chance to invite team members to join you on Asana. This step is pivotal as it transforms individual efforts into collective triumphs. Now let's move on to inviting team members. Once you've clicked Create, find and click on the Invite option. This is where you can choose the group of people you want on board, working alongside you to tackle various projects and goals. Carefully type in the email addresses of those you wish to invite. It's always a good idea to double-check for typos at this stage. You wouldn't want your invitation to accidentally land in someone else's inbox. With the email addresses inputted, it's time to select the specific projects you want your invitees to access. This step is crucial as it determines what tasks and information your team members can see and interact with. Tailor your choices based on what is most relevant to each team member's role. This approach is not just about access control. It's about streamlining the workflow and ensuring everyone has the necessary tools to succeed. No more, no less. Once you're satisfied with your selections, go ahead and click on Send to dispatch your invitations. At this point, congratulations are in order. You've just expanded your team's capabilities and taken a significant step toward more efficient collaboration. However, remember, setting up your team in Asana is just the beginning. The real power of Asana comes from leveraging this tool to its fullest potential, staying organized, and keeping your team engaged. I encourage you to experiment with different features, perhaps explore Asana's templates, and encourage your team to dive into the platform's capabilities. With Asana, you'll find that your projects can move smoothly from to-do to done with a newfound efficiency. And that's all there is to it. Simple, right? You're now well-versed in the basics of creating a team in Asana. Remember, this tool's intuitive interface and powerful features are designed to make managing tasks a breeze. So, happy organizing, and here's to the amazing work you and your team will accomplish together.